is Indian stock market performing in comparison to global investments? What is the potential of Indian stock market? To help you deep dive in the concept of Indian stock market, we have our investment expert Manish with us. Manish, over to you.
There's no doubt that you should not invest in India. It's not only that you are born in India. I'm giving this reason. This is not only because of that. Even if you look at foreign institutional investors who are not in India, let's say in other countries, uh, they are investing in India for sure. I think because India is a very, very promising story today, and how it is shaped up for the next 10-15 years, we expect India can be a much, much bigger story. Uh, yeah, so India, we strongly believe that even if you are, like I said, not born in India and all, people are looking India in a very, very positive way. There are few factors, and I'll kind of highlight it very quickly. First point is that, and this is it's well debated, China plus one story, right? And you have seen that people have started giving a lot of importance to India, because earlier what used to happen is that for all the countries and for most of the companies, China was the main factory for them to produce goods and services. Now, after what has happened in the last 1-2 years, how things have changed, people have become extremely worried for be concentrated only in investing in China for their goods and services, to get their goods and services. They are looking for other countries where they can diversify their goods and services, their manufacturing hub. And to name few, Vietnam, India ranks the top when they have to diversify into other countries. So for India, it's becoming a very big opportunities in the next 3-5 years. Most of the countries, most of the companies globally are trying to come to India for investments, for getting their goods and services delivered. And the reason for that is India has a huge demographic advantage. Demographic, I mean the population which is there. It's a young population, vibrant population. The cost or the wage rate in India at this point of time in India is much, much lower. China, it has gone much higher. The wage rate in India is comparable to China in 2004. So we are way attractive in terms of wage rate. The supportive measures which is being done by governments, especially there is something called as production linked incentives, PLI. You can read about it. It's all creating a huge kind of a catalyst for India to become a manufacturing hub. And we see this trend for the next 5-10 years. India is becoming extremely promising in that way. If you look at India's economy, India is not considered as the fragile 5 countries, which it used to be in 2013. It has changed completely. India's fundamentals, whether we are talking about corporate balance sheet strength, bank's balance sheet, government balance sheet, household balance sheet, all 4 balance sheets are looking strong. So this is a slightly elaborate answer, but it's extremely important that the potential which we are seeing for India in the next 5 to 10 years is extremely positive. The way things are shaping up is different. India is a high growth environment, high growth emerging market. It's not like US, which is already developed. So there is a much better, higher potential for making much better return in India. That's what is known from most of the foreign institutional investors. I will 100% I'll recommend with all my conviction that you should invest a big quantum in India also.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.